Hey Odoo enthusiast, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about what are fields in Odoo 18. So fields are basically used for storing the data in a model. So there are different types of fields available in Odoo that are the symbol fields and relational fields. In today's video, we will be diving into the symbol fields. So symbol fields are the fields that is used for storing the basic type like text, character, integers, boolean, and so on. And this will not create any relationship between the model. They simply store the raw data. Text field is used for giving short text containing any character. You can convert a text field into badge, copy to clipboard, email, phone number, then URL and image. What you just need to set as the widget according to the correspondence. Now, when you are using the text field for an image, you cannot edit the image and this will be displayed as a URL. And this will also not store the image in the Odoo database. And this is basically used for managing the disk space. Multi-line text is basically used for giving longer text and this will have a field type as text. Integer field is basically used for setting the all type of integer values. It can be positive, negative, zeros or without decimal. Decimal field is used for representing all types of decimal. It can be positive, negative, zero or with decimal. The examples are percentage, percentage by monetary are some of the example that is used for the decimal fields, and this will be having a field type as float. Monetary fields is basically used for setting all types of monetary values. Basically, it is used to represent the currencies and its value. HTML fields adds a text that can be edited using Odoo HTML editor. The date field is used for getting the date in the calendar. You can also just get the remaining days from a calendar, and this date field will be having the type as date itself. So these are some of the fields that comes under the symbol fields. We have many more fields to be discussed under the symbol field. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and we'll see you in the next one.